I'm going to show you how you can fix your iPhone heating. Now, there is one feature that Apple put in your iPhone that is a very huge outlier in your iPhone heating up, especially during intense moment. And it could do a lot of benefits if you would turn this off. You can go to your settings here. And on your settings, you want to scroll all the way down until you find privacy and security. Once you go to privacy and security, you want to go to location services. Now, on location services, you can see all of these apps here that's listed here. You can see when shared or while using, it is actively using all of your location services. For example, Snapchat here, it's always tracking my phone. And when it tracks your phone, it takes up power. And power, when it's using too much power, it generates heat. So if you want to fix your iPhone overheating, just turn this off. Just tap on turn off, and now your iPhone won't be actively tracking you anymore, and it won't use too much power, and your phone should be overall much cooler with this off.